Alright, there's the front of your 5.3. New chain, new tensioner. What's it missing?
Our oil pump. Now let's get at it. What's up, Drinkport crew? Today we're going to install this oil pump. Just in case you guys haven't been following, this is my gold junkyard 5.3.
So far, we cleaned it up, painted it. We did not tear the bottom end apart.
No.
Because if you tear it apart, then you're going to find something wrong. But if you just slap it together, it'll run forever. So what's missing on the front?
The oil pump. This oil pump.
Oil pump. So now we gotta slap that on. Don't let that go, okay? You wanna come over here and film from the front? Alright, look. Are you seeing this? Put shims in here.
Shimmies.
That'll make sure this is in the right, perfect, dead center. So oil can get around these edges. If oil can't get in there, it's just gonna get all chewed up. Okay? So put it on here. Let me get a couple bolts there. I knocked that out.
What dance is that, bruh?
The shimmy dance.
What dance is that?
Drive your dad nuts dance. What did I say the torque was? Hey,
I forgot.
you remember?
The torque.
Torque?
Torquedorcus.
The Torquedorcus?
The Torquedorcus.
Let me look, I gotta read the book again. I think it was 18 pounds.
Torquedorcus. Yeah, it was definitely 18.
Alright, now just check all four one more time, okay? Just to be safe. Touch, get them all snug, and then do one final. Use muscles. Did it click?
Yeah.
Is it clicking? Yeah, that's clicking. So it goes on. There you go. Yeah, you got her, man.
It's a lot of clicks.
Cookie click. Yeah, you got it. You over tightened it. Yeah, that's fine. One more. Yeah. There's one. There's two. Let's see how nice that is. You all know how easy that's sliding now?
Motor stuff.
Motor stuff. Oil in it. And you're gonna put that cover back on. Alright. Big kid, you ready to help?
Big kid. Help.
Okay, you just gotta be careful with these stupid torque spits. They strip easy, so get them in there nice and straight. When it hurts, it's tight. I don't know. Alright, give her a spin.
Oh!
moving. Sometimes I'm not when I get close. Oh,
You good?
yeah.
I'll try to line my dots back up. I need to get it back at top dead center. Go on.
I don't see it up.
Right here. That's got to be straight down. Almost there. Oh, stop. A little bit. Okay, I think you got it. It's hard to see with the oil pump on there.
Hard to see with the oil pump on there.
Right? That's an oil pump.
It is.
It is.
That's a lot of work for one thing. But pays off.
It's an oil pump.
We've almost finished
An oil
this
pump.
thing.
So
You there? Alright. Last thing we have to do with this oil pump, gotta put the pickup tube on. Right there? See this end?
Yep.
That sucks the oil back up out of the oil pan and pumps it through the motor. So what I hear and what I read, because I've never built one of these, or actually own one, these O-rings go bad. And then you lose oil pressure. So with the oil pump, give them a new set. So we'll put that on. These aren't anything that's going to make it go faster. It's just reliability stuff because you definitely don't need it to go faster. Okay. This is already high horsepower motor. You see the guy we bought it from?
Yeah.
When we bought this motor, did you see him?
No.
He had a mullet.
Good.
You know what that means?
When you have your like back here.
We bought this motor from a guy with a mullet. That right there adds 100 horsepower.
Jeez.
Okay. So we don't need to go any faster. Comes with two O-rings. What I read, you use the color that you had on there. So the one that came off was kind of green, so we're gonna use that one. You pop it on that edge. It slips
Oh,
right over that
this?
hole. Right up over here. No, right
Oh.
there. You're gonna want to get better at that.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put a little spray in the hole. Maybe someday.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. Just to make it slide. And that way we
Yeah.
don't tear that brand new piece of rubber right there. We want that to be nice. Slickery. Alright, ready?
Yep.
See if we can put her in there. Oh, we're losing shit. We're dropping stuff. Nice and easy. Did we lose one of those bolts? One of the new ones? Pop her in. You are super close. There you go. Oops. There we go. I don't know the torque. I'll look at it later. Cool. Good. It's got a tube. It's got a snorkel.
Yep.
Suck up some oil.
Yeah.
Crank it back over. That's it. We're done.
Yeah.
So what'd you learn? You think you could do that on your own now?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
You got it?
I got it in my memory still. So that was our oil pump. See you next time.
guys.
Bye. You gotta edit some good funky music in there.
Ding, 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 ding. Shimmy dance.
Thank you.